Beintoo is a revolution in gamification and monetization for apps and games developers. You can introduce in a couple of hours features such as social leaderboards of best and most loyal users, contests for all users, challenges among users, location-based check-ins, rewards, and virtual currency layer. Beintoo API and SDKs are completely free, and you can actually monetize your traffic. Beintoo Rewarding is disruptively innovative. Rewards are not virtual. They are branded virtual goods sponsored by an advertiser with a real coupon to get real goods at the advertiser's physical or online store. Beintoo transforms apps passion into real economy opportunities for your users. Beintoo can provide a lot of benefits for developers. Increase of engagement on your web app, website, mobile app. Visibility on your app's discovery community, www.beintoo.com. And moreover, monetization. Advertisers pay delivery and redemption of coupons. Developers get 70% of the revenues and receive automatic monthly payments on Beintoo developers platform. Here is an example of successful iPhone app, Sound Club, top 5 app in Italy in the category travel. A user who just downloaded the app is asked if he would like to connect with Beintoo to receive a great real products as reward. He accepts and can proceed by a straightforward Facebook login. He is informed about what achievements will reward him, adding a place of interest, adding a favorite place, commenting a place. These achievements have been decided by the developers. Everything is visualized without never leaving the app, fully integrated with the user experience. He now starts engaging with the app user experience. He searches places of interest in New York in the restaurants category. He selects a restaurant that he likes and he decides to add it among his favorite New York places, completing one of the achievements decided by the developer. He then receives a reward from Beintoo, a coupon to buy a PC in a famous European online store with the 10% off. He clicks on Get the Coupon and he's led to a mobile page where he can decide to get the coupon real, which means downloading the coupon code to proceed with the discount per case. He never leaves the app. Beintoo Rewarding is fully integrated with the user experience. He clicks on Get It Real and he visualizes the coupon code. He also receives it by email, such that he can decide to purchase whenever he wants. By a simple click on the X, he's back on the app. You can see how powerful this innovative rewarding mechanism is. Users perceive the coupon not as an advertising, but as rewards that they deserved, and as a consequence they are strongly motivated to redeem it. Moreover, it is not an interruption, but an extension to the app user experience, further increasing the average user's engagement. Here, the developer used Beintoo to introduce very quickly a leaderboard of the app users. Users are ranked according to their score in the game, which consists in guessing the name of a singer after 30 seconds of listening a song. Getting started with Beintoo it's easy and it requires just a few minutes. Go to business.beintoo.com and click on Learn More in the developers box. Read the great benefits on our partner developers and click on Get Started. Fill in the simple form and click on Submit. You will receive an email to validate your account. Click on the link sent in the email and you are now a Beintoo developer. Now, log in on Beintoo developer's site. You get immediately your dashboard where you can see the aggregated data of all your apps in the last 7 days. You have a view on the number of anonymous users of your apps, the number of users you connect to Beintoo, and the amount of money you earned. You can have more details by clicking on Report in the menu. In Report, you can have a lot of useful statistics, such as the number of new players and new users, the number of delivered coupons, and the number of converted coupons. You have a full control on your revenues. All information is available for each single app in the last 7 days and in the last 30 days. Beintoo provides you a truly useful analytic tool. Here you have the list of your apps. You can see immediately the platform of your API, the status, the API key, and the API secret data necessary to authenticate your API calls. You can click on Report, retrieving all the data valuable for the specific app, or on Edit. By clicking on Edit, you can modify your app and the information which will be available on Beintoo.com community, such as the name, the description, and the associated picture. Here you have the list of your contests and the apps to whom they are associated. You can click on Report, retrieving all the data valuable for that specific contest. By By clicking on Edit, you can modify your contest and the information which will be visualized within your app when the user is informed about the contest, such as the name, the description, the associated picture, the kind of contest. Here you have the list of your private virtual good. By this term, we mean a purely virtual good that you can create and distribute as rewards within your app. For example, a badge for top activity users. You can simply click on New Private Virtual Good to create a new good and to decide to which app it must be associated. Here you have the list of the available Beintoo software development kits. You can download them and start using them immediately. Integrating Beintoo will be a task of just a couple of hours. Our SDKs make you work extremely straightforward. There are already the following SDK: iOS, PHP, Android. We will release SDKs for Nokia and Windows 7 soon. Payments on Beintoo are easy, quick, and always on time. By the first week of each month, Beintoo generates for each developer a payment report where you can see the total amount generated by your apps in the month before. We proceed to approve all payments in a few days, and by the second week of the month, you will see your payment in the approved status. By the end of the month, you receive the payment on the PayPal account that you selected during the registration. It means that we pay at 30 days, a very convenient time frame for all developers. Payment will always be on time and without any uncertainty. With Beintoo, you can easily gamify your app, or, if it's already a game, straight into social gaming mechanics. With Beintoo, you can deliver real coupons as rewards to your users who reach the achievements you define. With Beintoo, you have a new efficient, non-intrusive strategy of monetization, fully integrated with your user experience. With Beintoo, you can have a detailed analytics services and automatic payment systems. Get started immediately.